Hello friends, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is the yummy and mouth-melting sweet recipe, that is milk burfi. So, let's start the preparation. Wash the pan and add 1 liter of full-fat milk. Add milk when the pan is wet so that milk does not stick to the pan. Stir it and boil it in high flame. Once the milk boils, stir it occasionally. Now adjust the flame to low. Scrape the malai formed at the edges. The milk starts thickening. For me, it took almost 30 minutes to thicken the milk. Once the milk thickens, add 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir it continuously. Make sure the milk does not burn. So adjust the flame to low. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Stir it continuously by scraping the edges. Now add 1 teaspoon of ghee. If you are using normal milk, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee. Stir it continuously. Now ghee absorbs. Now to check the consistency, apply some ghee to the hand and take small amount of mixture and roll it. It should hold shape. Turn off the flame and transfer the mixture to the plate. Let it cool. When the mixture is lukewarm, mash it slightly using palm. By mashing it, the burfi turns smooth texture. Now take a bowl and grease it with ghee. You can take any shape of container, mold it and refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, scrape the edges and demold it. And then adjust the sides and make it into square shape so that it will be easy to cut. Cut it into square shape. Garnish it with dry fruits. The yummy mouth-melting milk burfis are ready. Hope you liked my video. Try out this recipe, friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.